That's definitely not the way to use. Maybe we did.
That's embarrassing.
That's what happens when you get exercises mixed up.
Embarrassing. Get that weight down.
Down to where it belongs. Yeah, buddy. Oh. This is what my fat loss food shop looks like. This is going to be my final week of dropping weight. So I'm going to push the boat out a little bit this week and really try and get another half kilo to a kilogram off. So starting over here, these are essential, my Monster Energies, calorie free, sugar free, absolutely ideal. I have typically one per day. I've got these, some seasonings, so some curry powder and garam masala for the garlic chili chicken recipe I'm going to be making this week. That probably will be live on the channel by the time you get to watch this video, so go and check that out in the recipe playlist. I have some flat leaf parsley, again that's for another recipe in the morning, some spinach, some chilies, that's for my garlic chili, along with some onions, and then my chicken for that as well. I've got 2 packets of the chicken hex sausages here. These are ideal for breakfast. I typically have them with some eggs. I'll go through my protein sources here. So I've got my eggs here for protein as well, along with bacon. I just take the fat off here, so if you're from the UK, you will get bacon like this. Just buy the normal bacon and take off the medallion. It's much cheaper. Like, you can buy the pre-made bacon medallions, but it's double the price, and it's the same thing. Just buy the normal bacon and you're fine. Brew extra because I'm Scottish. And I have some Greek yogurt here and some protein yogurts as well from Arla. These are really good. I like these as well. I just like a variety. Got some blueberries. These are going to be making up a shake. Some garlic puree because it's easy and convenient. And I have some skimmed milk as well, along with some poppadoms. These are actually pretty good. Like, these are actually a decent find. They're 37 calories per one. And I'm going to be having them with my garlic chili. And this is for a shake. So this needs to be locked away. Basically, like, if this is open, both me and Amy struggle not to have it, so it will be used for the shake and put in the top shelf out the way until the fat loss phase is done. That's what my weekly food shop looks like. What is your main goal right now? Is it fat loss? Is it muscle gain? What type of videos would you like to see? Drop me one video idea that you would like me to see me make, if I could speak right, in the comments below. What do you want me to talk about?
Do you have a wee TikTok idea?
My TikTok idea.
On a Monday morning.
Putting a big massive bag of spinach in the pan and then taking it all out and making it look as if it's this wee tiny bit, because if you cook spinach then you know that you can put in a portion this size and it ends up like something like this. All we end up tiny, but just got to think of creative ways to make some content.
On a Monday morning.
On a Monday morning, that's what it's all about. Dinner time, 26. McCain's oven chips. A good hack if you're in a fat loss phase. We've got some air fryer chicken here. So some Cajun air fryer chicken. It comes out incredibly well. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice and crispy. Just the way I like it. I am a crispy guy person. I've got a LinkedIn webinar on at 7 PM. This is one we do every single Monday, so if you are not registered with my events on LinkedIn, or you're not in a free Facebook group as well, I do it live there also, and then by all means get involved. Today I'm going to be covering my CEO morning and evening routines, pardon me, the ones I personally start and end my day with to help me perform at the best, lose as much fat as possible, and maintain as much lean muscle mass as possible. Goal for this week is to get down to 74 kg. I was in the mid 75s last week. Actually, the lower end, 75.15. So the goal this week is to get to 74, hit that by the end of the week, and then my sort of kind of tidy up phase, my short tidy up phase is over, and it's time to get back into muscle gain for the end of the year.
I don't want the pain that I experience.
I'll leave in the snack some frozen blueberries. We don't have any nice containers. It's like the takeaway ones. And some Greek yogurt, and that's going to kind of round off my macros for
You
this.
sound like Mrs. Doubtfire with no teeth in.
What?
That's what you sounded like.
Why?
I'm going to edit that into this because you had berries in your mouth.
Really?
I'll have the poached salmon.
Yes, ma'am. And you, sir?
I'll have the jambalaya. And make mine not spicy. I'm allergic to pepper.
Not spicy, certainly, sir.
Thank you. Cheers, your health.
Greek yogurt to finish tonight. I missed my evening pump session tonight because I was exhausted, to be perfectly honest. I done one last night, so I'll still get my 5 this week, but I just wasn't in the mindset to do it tonight. I'm a human being. I miss workouts for the evening pump session from time to time. I haven't missed a scheduled workout in years, which is my 5 sort of kind of main sessions in the morning, but listen, I'm a human being.
We did go walk.
We did go walk instead. I got my step target of, my steps were 13,000, my steps is 10k target, so a little above the steps today. And we will instead have a pump session on Friday.
Andrew treating us. Why?
Yes.
Why are you treating us?
Just because I'm an amazing person.
No, but it was a reason.
International Women's Day apparently, but I mean what a lot of pish. International Women's Day. There's no International Men's Day.
There is, probably.
There's not, actually. Look it up.
There's also-
But nonetheless, I've got some Reese's mini eggs and cream eggs, and of course I got some for Amy.
Andrew was wrong. International Men's Day, Saturday, 19th November.
Well, I've never heard it.
You want to apologise? I'll get you a cream egg one in November or something else.
Yeah, we'll see.
Just
Trying to make stupid videos basically for TikTok and Instagram to drive more traffic and to get more eyeballs on the page, transparently. That's all we're trying to do, but it does require a bit of messing about. If it works, I'll put a link to it somewhere in the description and you can go and have a look. It'll probably be on YouTube Shorts anyway, so have a look at my channel and you should be able to see it.
do you want to just practice? While
No,
we're
I don't
here?
want to practice. No, you're alright, thanks.
Okay.
And the key is in any of these movements, whether it's row, chin up, press up, doesn't matter, push till failure. Push until you can't do any more. That's why so many people struggle with progressing bodyweight training. They do not push hard enough and intense enough. So, let's get into the last exercise. I have a wedding today, which means me going out drinking, which is not something we typically do, or I typically do, on a regular basis. So, how do I then prepare for that? Well, let me just turn this light on. Well, in order to do that, first key point is realising what you're going to be like the day after. So all of the food shopping is done for the week. I have everything I need. I have as much prepped up as I can. I've even got some food in here that's ready to go that I won't need to worry about cooking. Because at the end of the day, I need my nutrition to stay on track and to make sure that I have everything I need. So me knowing fine well that I'm not going to be feeling too great on Monday means I better get it done before I go out. I am just having some breakfast just now, so I've got some Heck sausages, some spinach is in the microwave, and I have one of these high protein Arla yogurts. Again, I will keep things relatively high protein in the morning. I am going to train today as well, and I'm going to get some steps in so that at least I'm relatively active, I've trained, I've got a decent amount of protein in throughout the first part of the day. And that is going to put me in as best position as possible to kick on and still stay relatively on track. Evening session again, as always, at the moment. Still relatively consistent with my 5 times per week. That is my goal with those. I'll just put this up, make life easy. Again, tracking workouts is really key with this. Rather than me just coming in here and ticking a box, the goal is to progress and get better. Now, I'm not pushing myself as hard as I would in my daytime sessions. So I'm training with my 5 core sort of kind of main workout sessions are in the morning, usually about 10 AM, 9:30. And then in the evening time around 7 PM, it's currently 7:30, I will come in and do the evening pump session, which is the exact same workout in the evening, 15 to 20 reps a set, but the goal is still to get better. If you're not tracking your workouts, you're leaving progress on the table. Trust me, I've done it, I've wasted time. Try to work out. So it's post-workout from my evening session. I'm just having one of these. Hopefully that's the right way. Hard to tell sometimes. It's just an Arla protein yogurt. You get them all over. You get them UK, US, everywhere. They are really handy, really easy, convenient. 20 grams of protein. They're absolutely superb, and I think they taste very good as well. The raspberry one's my favourite. If you have these, let me know in the comments below. Which one do you enjoy most? But something like this, just so convenient. Again, if you're someone who's really busy, you're on the go, you're kind of in between meals and things at work, reach for something like this. The calories in these in the total pot is 142. That's nothing. With the vast majority of that being taken up by protein, it's a fantastic option if you're looking for a healthy, high protein, convenient snack.